This 5-minute solution will show you how to transfer Instagram followers to Threads. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to do it. First of all, launch your Thread application. Then tap on your profile. Once you are in your profile page, tap on this globe icon at the top left. Tap on profiles you follow. And here you will get your following list, your followers list. Now tap on see all. Then you will jump into this page where you can follow the same accounts you follow on Instagram. Tap on follow all, confirm, and that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.